Whoa, stop right there. I need to give you the first tip of the video. This tip is to use 2 types of flour. If you use only one, you may not get the amount of chewiness or the softness that you are desiring, so use 2 different types, or more if you like. So the explanation to this is that bread flour contains more protein and therefore more gluten, which makes it harder, more crunchy. You know how bread is sort of feel. Cake flour is on the other end, and then all-purpose flour or plain flour, they're the same thing, is in the middle. So what you want to do is add all-purpose flour and bread flour, and that's just going to create a chewier but soft cookie. Well, now keep watching. Tip number 3, 2 sugars. So you should use brown sugar and white sugar. White sugar for sweetness and brown sugar for flavor. Plus brown sugar just spreads very little and is overpowering, and white sugar spreads way too much. So a mixture of the 2 would be perfect with the perfect amount of flavor. So I just baked them and my family went crazy for them. I'm just going to taste it. This is one of the marshmallow ones. I think all of them contain a little bit of marshmallow. Awesome. So, really good cook.
Oh, you don't like chocolate, do you?
Our oven is actually trash. Even then, it was baked so well. I'm going to show you. Right here. I'm not sure if you can see. But the outside is nice and, cooked. The outside is soft. The outside is crunchy, inside is soft. So that's it. 10 out of 10. I want to start a war in the comments, so I remembered to taste it with milk because that is what life is. So we're just gonna taste it. Dip. This is so soft. It's like a cheese pull. It's amazing. Wow.